My name is Mohit. Challenge with the kitchen was that it was flooded. Like the middle part of the kitchen was removed and we had to rebuild it. So we had to remove the cabinets and we had to rebuild it completely. So it was like a full kitchen remodel. Prime Home was, I think, one of the best quotes that we had got. They were not the cheapest, they were not the most expensive, they're somewhere in the middle. They had really good contractors. They could set us up with, really nice cabinets for very reasonable price. And the colors specifically of the cabinets and the wood that we wanted and in the price range that we wanted. We wanted to remodel the kitchen along with repairing the damage that we had. So someone who could take care of both of those things. Prime Home had good reviews. Benjamin was easy enough to talk to. He explained every detail. He was prepared. They showed that they have the expertise. Communication with Prime Home was excellent. This was a great experience where during the project we could bring in things that, hey, we want it like this, we want a glass door here, we want under cabinet lighting here, and they were super easy to work with. The way the kitchen looks right now with the lighting, with the color, I think it looks fabulous, and we have had our friends telling us that your kitchen looks great and it's probably the best that we have seen. I would definitely recommend Prime Home to everybody if they want their work to be done with high quality, reasonable price, and in time.